Hey guys, it's Pauline. So, this should be a bag from Coach. I'm not sure if this is the one I ordered recently or if this is the one that had to be updated 3 times. So let's see. But you know what? There was a cold snap and people are iced out and all that kind of stuff. So I did have to remember that. Even though we don't have that going on here, you know, other parts of the world, people are dealing with traffic issues and all that kind of stuff and ice and all that. So I had to check myself. Like, wait a minute, it's just a bag. But anyway, let's take a look at what I picked up. Okay, so this is not the thing that I have been waiting on. This is the one that I ordered later. So let me give you a little description of what we got. That's this. So let's take a look. So this drop was really cute, but I was gonna refrain from it. But I saw that this was on sale, and I thought that I thought it was a really good price, $131, and so I just went ahead and picked it up. I had a Rowan bucket bag. I wasn't all that impressed with it. I thought it was smaller than I like. I did end up selling it. But this one, I thought it would be cute with the little cherry and everything. I wanted to try it. So, and it's suede. So, I wanted to see if I like it again. Now, the other one was canvas, and so it probably didn't have as much give as this one is probably going to have. So, let's take a look around it. Y'all, does this look worn, or is it just me? Well, you know what? It's not factory wrap, so I don't know what this is. Was this a return? Was this a floor model? I don't know. It looks, I don't know, is that just me? Does it look worn? I mean, it looks like somebody actually wore this one. Or that me? I mean, maybe that's the nature of suede. Because I have a suede from Dooney & Burke. I have a suede from Kate Spade. It didn't look like this. That's interesting. I might have to tell them they need to send me another one. Okay. So anyway, I don't know if they still have any of these. All right, so I guess this is the crossbody strap. Yeah, this one looks pretty worn. I don't know. But y'all tell me what you think. So I like that it came with these extra straps. I like that it comes with a wristlet. What's a little pouch? It's a small pouch, but I could put like in that zipper is kind of wonky, but I could put my earbuds and stuff in here. And have it hanging out the side here. All right, so let's see. So this is you have a section here, but it didn't go all the way down. Let's see, and then you got this in the middle. You could put something that you really want to have secure in here. Maybe this was a floor model. So anyway, let's take this out. And it's really cute. This is not connected to the bottom. So stuff will roll from side to side. I'm gonna have to call them. Cause I don't know. Looks kind of worn to me. I'm gonna call customer service and see what we can do. See if they got another bag that's like this. Yeah. But anyway, I would love to know what you guys think. Am I tripping, or does this look worn? So we got it's a cute bag, which is a shame because I really would have liked it, especially for the price that I got. But yeah. So I'm gonna have to check that out. But anyway, guys, did y'all pick this up? And tell me what you think, and maybe I am being picky. And y'all tell me what you think. All right, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.